Edgar Lungu should be buried in his own country. Azvipere Moshe Ramaphosa oya panguva ino achimisa aiwa the Lungu family iri kuno kwakunzi iri kuzama kuda kuita nharo nokonzeresa chaos. Panguva ino zviri kutorambwa nemazambian citizens pachavo. Sara pana mashoko anobuda nyogwa panguva ino don't bo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muzimu anotangonyora in bold vachiti it really is our persistent view that the former President Lungu should be laid to rest in his own country of birth. Tichipinda mnamubudanyoka mchenzi Mr. Ronald Ozi Lamola, Minister of International Relations and Cooperation with the Republic of South Africa, in quotes, I'm here to convey a message on behalf of President Cyril Ramaphosa, the President of the Republic of South Africa, on behalf of the people of South Africa, a message of condolence on the passing of former President of Zambia, Dr. Lungu, who passed on in South Africa, and also to convey our message of solidarity to the people of Zambia, to fact that we have got very good relations, Zambia and its people, and we are also here to engage further to find a solution to the ongoing impasse or challenge with the Lungu family and Zambian government, and we continue to send back the message to President of South Africa in an endeavor to find an amicable solution on this matter. It really is our persistent view that the former President Lungu should be laid to rest in his own country of birth. But as we have engaged with, there is an impasse and there are issues that still need to be addressed, and we are hopeful, we are really that maybe one solution will be found on the matter. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Thomas panobuda panguva ino yatona kuti aiwa delegation inoenda kuZambia ichinosangana nemutungamiri wenyika aiwa akaenda ichirema panoonekwa kunzi vanonodeliver message yekuti aiwa Edgar Lungu ngaanoberiwa kunyika kwake kwakazvarirwa. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section medu mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.